What's up guys, Simple here, back for another tutorial. In this one we're going to go over 5 of the best font resources that I use and that you guys should definitely check out. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So at number 5 we have thefont.com. Now many of you may know of this site. It's a really popular site, but you guys probably don't know how to use it efficiently. So the way I use it is whenever you're here, you pick your team, whatever you want to say, Chinese, Japanese, and then you go more options right here, and then you want to make sure you click on free for personal use. So I'll make sure the font is completely free and public domain, so you'll be able to use it online. And then yeah, from there you just click submit, and boom, these are the free fonts that you're able to download. So that's a pretty neat way to use it. Yeah, pretty cool. At number 4 we have fontfabric.com. This is an awesome website. It has some really professional fonts, really useful for graphic design, cover arts, for magazines, for flyers, for posters. These are really neat for that. Yeah, and there's some unique fonts over here as well, so check it out, fontfabric.com. At number 3 we have Google Fonts. Now this is an awesome website for finding fonts for your website or for your online piece of work, and it has great fonts for web integrity. Just a great website overall for fonts. At number 2 we have Adobe Fonts. This is an awesome website. Again, you can browse fonts, you can look by popularity, by trending, really have a lot of details here to play with to make sure you really find the font you're looking for, which is why it's at number 2. And at number 1, it's on Behance. It's just the search that I have is free font, so I'll put this link in the description, and there's awesome fonts here, and you see them already used in graphics, which give you inspiration. And these are really cool, really trendy. I really suggest you guys check out this website. And yeah, definitely my number 1. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. Leave a like and comment, and I'll be back for another video shortly.